Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Dr. Abdul Firdaus and welcome back to another demo video. So today we're gonna describing my new project, the 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 Flutter. I use Flutter for the application, and for the name for the file that I use, the section that I use is the the Doa. So today we're gonna tell you like some of like Doa Screen. So the screen is for. So today I will going to explore the application structure here, especially for the UI and the logic and the code glue. So makes the app is more clean and easier for understanding. Okay, as you can see on the and here on the main dot. So main dot is for where main dot. So main dot is for make the entire flow or for the flow with the code. For the entire flow is start from here. So every code that will start, the first is the main dot and the rest is out. The rest is I don't know. So the first code that we'll starting is the main dot. So for routing the immediately the Doa screen, which for the category section that we will explain. And at here, as you can see on the Doa screen at here, on the Doa screen, you can see there's the code that and the code. I mean in the code Doa, as you can see at here, at the code Doa, you can see there are like first you can see this the card to is the standard switches because we only need the three piece of data because we don't need to change the code. So for data the icon image category and the title category on the tab. So this is for making for the requirement that we need like the image, the title, and the on tab on tab. Untap function. And you can see on the card doa, the card doa is for wrapping or for covering the gesture the texture like the capture on the top and the sphere for the white background you can see on the at here there's the white background and for the border for make it more rounded for the corner and you can see the subtle for and the box shadow for the shadow because we need to make this UI is more clear and more easier to see and makes the user is more comfortable to the website and it's create entire by the container and the box decoration. This makes our design my design is more consistent which is more tidy because we need container for make our designs and we're gonna jump to the code Doa screen. So at here at the Doa screen you can see Doa screen at the Doa screen at the Doa screen right there is the create view count and the explain widget. So for the parent the Doa screen is after the header the image. The layout used for explain the widget so there's the widget is explained on behind and share for the grip view and fill the remaining screen space. And you can see on the code view at here, there is the cross access country. This cross access country. This for the column because we make this vertically for so this we put with vertically we put with the vertical ratio. So this three column notice how each cardboard disdains for make space for not to dempet. I mean like not too tight every each card doa. So like for the distance to the navigation and for the explain Example for tapping home card and push the dual screen into this. So especially on the passing the string at the home, there's the parameter out here you can see in at home. Parameter for parameter, there's the category parameter. The string is for the key of the next step. Okay, and the doa data, doa data. You can see on the doa data, at the doa data. You can see there's uh, the dual list screen. Is immediately for receiving the string home or other function or other card doa to use the get dual list. So get dual list function. So this for the doa that we put, you can see there's the Arabic one, there's the translation one, there's the title and the asset image. So and this file, simply there's the huge switch for the segments. So it is the repository for all content that we need for the Doa. So all content we put on the file. So all content that we need for the Doa card. So you can see there's the Arabic because we need the Arabic one for the Doa because and this translation for make it easier the user for knowing what the meaning of this doa, and there's the reference which is for the riwayat for the hadith. The authentic hadith is get from At-Tirmidhi and or else, so we can know that this hadith is sahih, which is get proved by this for example is Muslims or Abu Dawud or At-Tirmidhi. And you can see under every list the item there is the map and string storing the five essential data points. There's the image, title, Arabic text, and the translation and the reference. This this code, this for we use consistent, we use oftenly because this will cross cross all card doa. So every doa that we show on the doa screen, we need to use this file because we put all the reference, all the do Arabic we put on here, so this make it clearer and more easier. So as you know on the so we can see how the code translation directly to the final user experience, the UI. So this more organized the card layout for the clear styling for make it easier and the essential display correctly. So this more correct. So not there is no like error on the screen. So we have like simple three stage navigation flow and a category to list detail. And as you know, you see on the and you see on as you can see on the detail screen. On the detail screen, there's the screen body first set background image. You can see it here. There's the gray and radius sphere. Sphere radius is for make it rounded with the the cup. So this more comfortable on our eyes for the user eyes. So our user not to so yeah our user can stay at the website more long than previous because we use like blue radius and the background shadow so make it shadow so this more good and more and more stylish, of course. And that is on the dual screen as here. This for putting the Arabic text. We use this for the inside the main content card. We see the specific styling that we play on the Arabic text. There's the large for bold or format or blah blah. And the translation we use the text alignment justify or make it clean the paragraph look. And you can see the reference text most on the back on the side on the under the meanings the translations. So this more like more simple and more easy to look. And for and we can we can see how the code translation directly, yeah. So this more you can see it here. They will ask like this, and here's the title, which is that we put on the Doa data. We'll import the all data that we need. There's the Arabic text, so we put on the data here. Arabic text translation on the data and the reference on the Doa data. So the conclusion. Well, we'll build the robust application so using the code filter, the Dart, so it is more easier, and the widget for the UI we use the get to Alice, the function for the data, and we make this the clear navigations. We use the border, we use the radius border, we shadow, so this because we want to make this website as following the trends, following the era. So this out for make our users, the user that open this website that access the website is more comfortable on this website. So now we're gonna open the 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 applications. So this website I made, they can see on the data here. There's the doa. This cut doa, I use the horizontal. And we open this doa, we can see there's the stack of different doa, different way that we need. This the background that we put, and this you can see there's the card view. We use the vertically, so this I put on the vertical way. And we if we click the pagi malam, you can see this the doa sebelum tidur. If I click doa sebelum tidur, we're showing the doa sebelum tidur. This the title we put. This the title, and this for the Arabic the Arabic, the hadith, and this the translations. And this the hadith riwayat Bukhari that we put on the under on this. You can see this the title. You can see the title here, and this the Arabic, and this there is the Arabic the translation. This the translation too, and the reference hadith riwayat Bukhari. So this our code is for make the card section. I mean the doa section. If we click the doa perpakaian, it will show the Arabic text and the title and the meaning and then the reference. And this for the vertical container that we use. And this you can see this because you can see this the card is rounded and there is like a bit shadows. You can see out here there's the bit shadows that what that we use. There's the border, so this might get more corner and more smoother. So that's all for me. Soft mistakes. So this uh this structure is make the application is more easy to extend, maintain, or there is some bug we can fix it as fast as we can. If you want to if you want to add new players, you just only need to update the data file. So no need to disturb other code. So you just need to add the data the new data that we need. So that's all for me. Sorry mistakes. My name is Noor Kabir Daus. And last what I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.